New tonight, D.C.'s Attorney General is sending a strong message to D.C. marijuana shops operating illegally. Don't. The AG also has an important warning for consumers. In the last 6 months, his office and law enforcement have closed dozens of illegal weed shops across the city. As our Leslie Moreno reports, in the process, they have discovered that some of the marijuana confiscated has been mixed with amphetamines and other dangerous narcotics.
Tonight, a warning for cannabis users across the district.
People are going into shops and they're purchasing cannabis thinking that they're purchasing cannabis. And in fact, they're ingesting something that's not just cannabis. It's another dangerous drug.
The Office of Attorney General Brian Schwab announced the closure of 25 unlicensed cannabis shops across the district over the last 6 months. In 2023, the D.C. Council passed emergency legislation that would penalize gifting shops that have not applied to the city's medical marijuana program. Stephanie Litos, one of the lead attorneys on this investigation, says those 25 shops were given ample time to comply.
Shops have chosen not to do that, or they haven't followed the rules properly. And the time for shops to apply for a legal license has now closed. So I think it was about 1.5 years that they were provided to take advantage of that opportunity. That timing has ended. It ended, I believe, in July of 2024.
The Office of Attorney General says investigators also found some of the products being sold were laced with narcotics, including amphetamines and psilocybin, a psychedelic compound. During their investigation, law enforcement also recovered weapons, cash, cocaine, and other illegal drugs. The Attorney General's office says the owner of Nomad Smoke Shop was arrested, and they also found illegal drugs, a semi-automatic handgun, and 10 dogs. The shop is now reopened as a non-cannabis retailer.
There are licensed medical marijuana shops that they can legally shop at, and that's what they should do. If they go to an unlicensed shop, then they are running a real risk that what they are consuming is not just marijuana, that it could be laced with other dangerous drugs that they're not aware of.
Users can find a list of legal cannabis shops on the District Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Administration website or on WUSA9.com. Leslie Moreno, WUSA 9.